make sense? All right, so let's do the chorus 2 times through. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, nice. Next me all these love. Sorry, we're off the click. Sorry, we're off the click. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on that song where you're going to lead, Zila, me and you are going to switch spots. You don't have an in-ear. No, we're not going to switch spots. Never mind, because I need to end up over there. Okay. Yo voy a mover un poquito hacia este lado y tú puedes, sí, llegar más al centro. Okidokis. So then we've got Haila. We ended off on Haila. So I'll take that. Actually, you can take that one. Go ahead. Sync now, so. The cable's literally where you have. Where's the throttle? In that cable over there. Don't set at it, son.
Where do we put these, Mr. Fernando? Where do we put these?
Like that. 1 second. You can barely hear it. Then you take 1 step where you tap with your foot. And then